Okay, I just had to restart this, and I'll show you what I got for the reading starting this morning, because the robot cleaner just started up on its own and the dogs went crazy. So the first thing, the reading today, is about one of fire, force. The force is a new action. So what's driving it is the two of earth, or cause and effect. So actions have consequences. Then we have the truth, and something moving rapidly. Above it, it's about long term, it's about money, etc. It's about what's being offered up. When it comes to actions and overseas things, again, it's about money. Long-term money things and the light being shed on it. Fireworks. When it comes to the girls, the young adults or young children, some of them were young children. Okay, so it looks like something more explosive is going to be coming out when it comes to this long-term trafficking issue. The Riley things. Now Riley has been getting, it looks like he's getting more interviews. So they're not going to be able to continue to suppress this. So let's go ahead, we'll do this, and we'll look at the energy of this. See where this is going, what's going on with it. But it looks like maybe they're going to be more into some of the financial happenings when it comes to trafficking, and there was money laundering, I guess, at some of these universities and colleges they were sending some of these people to. Follow the money. So it's about where this is going. What's crossing it is future. What's being cut? When it comes to the community, above it, yeah, the dark mindset of this, the dark happenings. When it comes to those friends, okay, the pedophile club, the knowledge coming into it is some knowledge about it. The clock is ticking. Above it, the heavy karmic crushing wheel. Looking forward. Energy going forward. Protection. The light dawning on protection. Above it, the health. And the fly in the ointment. Underneath of it all, the arguments, what they're trying to sweep under the carpet. So the foundation's looking forward, friends, looking at the fly in the ointment. That would be the perpetrators, the ones that are continuing to engage in these things. It's about the harsh karmic wheel, crushing wheel, the dark mindset, the health of that. Again, Information, the clock is ticking on information going forward, things being cut, and protecting, the light dawning on protecting. Okay. So it looks like there is going to be some more care when it comes to looking into this. So let's do a clarifying read. Let's see the center of it. We have the path forward. The stories that the community are hearing. Government, or those in power, the women, things done by the dark of night, the business, the dirty business, the history of it. The clock is ticking, and documents. Control, and the cross to bear. Yeah, so it's about, the clock is ticking on the path forward, looking at the history of this, the things done by the dark of night, documents, path forward, government, and the business, the women now. These young girls are now women and continuing for the fight. It's about control, the cross to bear, the stories that are coming out. They can't control the stories coming out now. These interviews with Riley, etc. There is more and more coming forward that they cannot control. Okay? And this is the cross to bear with the community. So let's see what's underneath of it, driving all of this. It's what's under the surface. Their short-term success. We're looking at the direction. Follow the money. When it comes to the young girls or young boys, etc., the fireworks, it's now heating up. We're looking at the doorway. Sacrifices. There were some children sacrificed. The life of this and the life of the children that were sacrificed. This is all blooming now. It's flowering. We are making promises that are key when it comes to looking into the dark truth. Things not easily seen. For the future, concerned with the future health and protecting, looking at this fly in the ointment, looking towards friends, looking forward. And we have, again, the girls that are now women struggling with the toxicity and seeking help. That innocence, that their innocence was taken. And that's what's at the heart of it. So waking up to a hard truth, that, and an ending, an end point to this. This also could be the deaths of some children, the divergent path, the obstructions they can try to do when it comes to the new elements and it comes to the children. We want to know the hard truth, okay, the deeper knowledge, the things that are hidden, that they've been doing the craftiness, and we want that heavy karmic wheel because of the dark mindset, the messages, the alliances, what's been anchored in, what they try to slow walk and protect with their deception. This is going to continue to move forward, to cut, to shed light on their business and those involved in it, especially those in power, the White House, Trump, etc., conversations. Now this is again Riley, etc., coming forward, speaking out, giving the knowledge about what happened, and the arguments being cut. Okay, the arguments being cut. So it looks like as much as they don't want to touch this, more and more is going to start coming out. And there will be more and more in alignment with chasing the money and holding those responsible to protect the younger generation. So on that note, I'll leave that here. Let's hope the cards are right. And this is going to actually start moving, and there will be consequences for some of these people that have been engaging in this for years. So on that note, I'll leave that here. We'll see you online.